Now let us study how to compare rational numbers or comparison of rational numbers. We know how to compare two integers or two fractions and tell which is smaller or which is greater among them. Let us now see how we can compare two rational numbers. See, two positive rational numbers like 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 7 can be compared as studied earlier in case of fraction. What do we do in case of fraction? We make the denominators of both the rational numbers equal. That is, here 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 7 we make denominators equal by taking LCM of 3 and 7. The LCM of 3 and 7, it is 21. We take first rational number, that is 2 upon 3, and divide the LCM by denominator of this rational number. And what is the denominator of this rational number? 3. The 21 divided by 3, you will get 7. Here multiply numerator and denominator by 7. What will you get? 2 7 ja 14 upon 3 7 ja 21. Similarly, we take second number, that is 5 upon 7, and we multiply numerator and denominator by, here LCM is 21 divided by denominator of this rational number, that is 7. We will get 3. Here multiply with 3. What do we get? 5 3 ja 15 upon 21. Here what we observe, that denominator of both the rational numbers are same. We can compare numerator and we can find which number is smaller, which number is greater, or they equal, like that. Mary compared two negative rational numbers minus 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 5 using number line. She knew that the integer which was on the right side of the other integer was the greater integer. For example, 5 is to right of 2 on the number line and 5 is greater than 2. The integer minus 2 is on the right of minus 5 on the number line and minus 2 is greater than minus 5. Now third case, the case of pair of negative rational numbers is similar. To compare two negative rational numbers, we compare them ignoring their negative sign and reverse the order. For example, to compare minus 7 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 3, we first compare 7 upon 5 and 5 upon 3. We get 7 upon 5 is less than 5 upon 3 and conclude that 7 upon 5 and conclude that minus 7 upon 5 is greater than minus 5 upon 3. Now comparison of a negative and a positive rational number is obvious. A negative rational number is to the left of 0, whereas positive rational number is to right of 0 on a number line. So a negative rational number will always be less than a positive rational number. Thus, minus 2 upon 7 is less than 1 upon 2. Now next, to compare rational numbers minus 3 upon 5 and minus 2 upon minus 7, reduce them to their standard form and then compare them. Now come to example 3. Do 4 upon minus 9 and minus 16 upon 36 represent the same rational number? See the solution? Yes, because 4 upon minus 9, it is equivalent to 4 upon minus 9. Let us multiply it by minus 4 upon minus 4. If you multiply it, what will you get? 4 into minus 4, it is minus 16 upon minus 9 into minus 4, it is 36. It means 4 upon minus 9 can also be written as minus 16 upon 36, or 16 upon minus 16 upon 36, it is equivalent to minus 16 upon 36 divided by, or minus 16 upon 36, it is equivalent to minus 16 upon 36, divide both numerator and denominator by minus 4. What will you get? Minus 16 divided by minus 4, it is 4 upon 36 divided by minus 4, you will get minus 9. That is 4 upon minus 9. What we observe, that 4 upon minus 9 and minus 16 upon 36 both are same rational numbers. Now rational numbers between two rational numbers. Here Resma wanted to count the whole numbers between 3 and 10. From her earlier classes, she knew there would be exactly 6 whole numbers between 3 and 10. Similarly, she wanted to know the total number of integers between minus 3 and 3. The integers between minus 3 and 3 are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Thus, there are exactly 5 integers between minus 3 and 3. Resma took two rational numbers minus 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 3. She converted them to rational numbers with same denominator. How she will do? By taking LCM of denominators, that is 5 and 3. What is LCM of 5 and 3? The LCM of 5 and 3, it is 15. So she take first rational number, that is minus 3 upon 5. Here LCM is 15. Here see minus 3 upon 5. Here what is the denominator? 5. They divide LCM, that is 15 by 5. What will you get? 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by 3. What will you get? You will get minus 3 into 3. It is minus 9 upon 5 into 3, 15. So minus 3 upon 5, it is equivalent to minus 9 upon 15, and minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3. Here what is denominator? 3. And what is the LCM? 15. So divide 15 by 3, you will get 5. Multiply numerator and denominator by 5. What will you get? Minus 1 into 5, it is minus 5 upon 3 into 5, 15. So minus 1 upon 3, it is equivalent to minus 5 upon 15. So we have minus 9 upon 15 is less than minus 8 upon 15 is less than minus 7 upon 15 is less than minus 6 upon 15 is less than minus 6 upon 15 is less than minus 5 upon 15, or minus 3 upon 5 is less than minus 8 upon 15 is less than minus 7 upon 15 is less than minus 6 upon 15 is less than minus 1 upon 3. So C could find rational numbers minus 8 upon 15, minus 7 upon 15 and minus 6 upon 15 between minus 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 3. Now come to example 4. List 3 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. See the solution. Let us write minus 1 and minus 2 as a rational number with denominator 5, because we have to find out 3 rational numbers between these two numbers minus 2 and minus 1. Here what we have, minus 1. If we multiply numerator and denominator of minus 1, here we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 5. What do we get? It is minus 5 upon 5. That is minus 5 upon 5. Similarly, minus 2, again multiply numerator and denominator by 5. What do we get? Minus 10 upon 5. That is minus 2 equal to minus 10 upon 5. And then we can write numbers between minus 5 upon 5 and minus 10 upon 5. So, minus 10 upon 5 is less than minus 9 upon 5 is less than minus 8 upon 5 is less than minus 7 upon 5 is less than minus 6 upon 5 is less than minus 5 upon 5. Or we can also write it as 2 less than minus 2 is less than minus 9 upon 5 is less than minus 8 upon 5 is less than minus 7 upon 5 is less than minus 6 upon 5 is less than minus 1. Therefore, the three rational numbers between minus 2 and 1 would be minus 9 upon 5, minus 8 upon 5, minus 7 upon 5. This is your answer. Now come to example 5. Write 4 more numbers in the following pattern. Here see the rational numbers: minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 6, minus 3 upon 9, minus 4 upon 12 and so on. So first of all, we have to find out the pattern. See the solution. Here we have second number is minus 2 upon 6. So this can be obtained by multiplying first rational number, that is minus 1 upon 3 by 2. Multiplying minus 1 upon 3 by 2 in the numerator and denominator, we will get minus 2 upon 6. Again, third number, that is minus 3 upon 9, can be obtained by multiplying first rational number, that is minus 1 upon 3 by 3 both in numerator and denominator, that is minus 1 into 3 upon 3 into 3, that is minus 1 into 3, it is 3, and 3 into 3 is 9. Similarly, minus 4 upon 12 can be obtained by multiplying first rational number, that is minus 1 upon 3 by 4. So minus 1 into 4, it is minus 4, and 3 into 4, it is 12. Or you can say that, let us take first rational number, that is minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1, you will get minus 1 upon 3. Then multiply same rational number by 2. Minus 1 into 2 upon 3 into 2, you will get minus 2 upon 6. Again multiply first rational number by 3, you will get minus 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 3, that is minus 3 upon 9. And fourth one, again multiply minus 1 upon 3 by 4, you will get minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4 upon 3 into 4, that is 12. What we observe, that the other numbers can be obtained by multiplying first rational number, that is minus 1 upon 3, multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here, thus we observe the pattern in these numbers. The other numbers would be, here we have multiplied it by 4, now we have to multiply it by 5. We multiply first rational number, that is minus 1 upon 3 by 5, both in numerator and denominator, we will get minus 5 upon 15. Then multiply it by 6, so minus 1 into 6, it is minus 6 upon 3 into 6, it is 18. Second rational number is minus 6 upon 18. And minus 1, again multiply it by 7, minus 1 into 7 upon 3 into 7, you will get minus 7 upon 21. Here thus the four rational numbers are minus 5 upon 15, minus 6 upon 18, minus 7 upon 21, and fourth one is obtained by multiplying minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 8. You will get minus 8 upon 24. Therefore, 4 rational numbers will be minus 5 upon 15, minus 6 upon 18, minus 7 upon 21 and minus 8 upon 24.